Dailymotion video app. So this is interesting app, a social video app. Dailymotion is one of the super old websites, video websites, alternative to YouTube's. So back in the old days, I think there were sites like Vimeo, youtube.com, dailymotion.com. And this is one of those kind of early alternatives to YouTube. I didn't know that they still exist, but now they released their just video app. And yeah, it's trending in the charts. So didn't know that 12,000 reviews and ratings. So here you can allow notifications. You can sign in with your Dailymotion account or create a new account easily with Apple. So here you just have it like that. You just can show it up. And interesting app. So you have a lot of brands in here because a lot of these people have them on their website. And the overview looks like that. So very similar to TikTok. You have subtitles, bookmarks, you can report video, you have video match score, fine-tune your feed by rating how well this video matches your taste. And that's basically the idea. And then you have your account. There is also like a creator program, which you can read about in here. So yeah, that's the idea of the app. So very kind of minimalistic app, but somehow it's in top 100 entertainment apps right now. So try it out.